Heidi ho there, friends and neighbors. Bobby here tonight. Hey friends, this video is for all my gun people out there. I'm going to show you how to clean your gun rags, okay? I have this one towel that I'll lay down each time I clean some guns, and as you can see, it's gotten pretty nasty. And I got a bag of rags here that I just keep them in a Ziploc bag so they're sealed up, and they're getting pretty dirty now. I could just throw these things out and buy new ones when they get dirty, but I figured I'd go ahead and give it a try at trying to wash these things. And I'm going to show you how I'm going to do that, because you definitely don't want to ever wash any of your gun rags or towel or anything in your washing machine anymore, because you got gunpowder and lead deposits and everything else on all these rags, so you don't want to ever get that mixed up in your clothing. So I'm going to start by cutting the sink on. We have a 5-gallon bucket here, and we're just going to fill it up about halfway with the hottest water that we have. And then we're going to add some of this Zep Industrial Purple Cleaner and some Dawn dishwashing detergent. So stay tuned. Okay friends, first for the Zep Purple Power, we're going to go ahead and just pour probably about a cup or two in here. We're going to make it a pretty strong mix, okay? I might even have a little bit more than that in there. And then we're going to take our Dawn dishwashing detergent, and we're going to go ahead and, that ought to be plenty there. That's probably about 6 ounces or so. Anyway, that's going to be a good strong mixture of solvent in with that water. And Dawn dishwashing detergent is one of the best things I know to lift grease out of stuff. And this Purple Power will definitely do it as well. So we're going to fill this up about halfway, and we're going to dump all these rags in here, and of course our toothbrushes that we use. I'm going to drop them on in now. That's our gun cleaning old toothbrushes. So we're going to let it fill up, and we'll dump it all in. Okay, I guess we're about halfway full now. So let's go ahead and shove our towel down in there and pull these rags out. As you can see, these things are nasty. They are very, very nasty. Look at that. See that? We're going to let that soak all night, friends. I'm going to shove it down here in the water one time, and we're just going to leave this soaking all night long, and then I'll show you what we do with it tomorrow. Good morning there, friends. Hey, we're back here the next day. Let's take a look at this. Ooh, my goodness. Look how dirty and nasty that water is. Friends, that's all that gun oil and gunpowder and lead that's in all my gun rags and my cleanup towel that I lay down when I clean up my guns. Friends, we're going to take this 5-gallon bucket on outside. I'm going to show you how we get this stuff clean. Okay guys, hey, we're out here in the driveway this morning. We got our pressure washer hooked up. If you have a pressure washer, that'll be best, but probably just a water hose will do just fine. Well, I'm gonna reach down in here. I'm gonna keep my hands out of this stuff, but because that it was pretty concentrated mixture that I mixed up on there. As you can see, that's already looks like that's cleaner than they were just by being in there all night. We're gonna pull all, yeah, that rag there looks real clean. We're gonna pull all this stuff out of here, and well, there's that towel. That looks a lot better. That looks a heck of a lot better right there. All right, we're gonna lay all these out. We're gonna get the pressure washer and pressure wash all this soap out of here. Any of this leftover mixture here, I'm gonna put it in my mop bucket, and I'll use it to mop the floor of the garage. Yeah, these are definitely looking pretty clean. So I'm gonna get the rest of them out of here. We're gonna fire up the pressure washer, get these things cleaned. folks, after about 15-20 minutes of pressure washing, I got all this stuff pretty clean. Look at these toothbrushes. Heck, they look like brand new. Gotta make sure I mark these things so I don't end up grabbing one and brushing my teeth with them one day. That would not be cool. But anyway, now I got a 5-gallon bucket of just nice fresh water here. I'm gonna dump all this stuff in here. Let me grab it all. And I'm just gonna do like a final little rinse by hand with all this stuff, and I'll wring it out by hand. And then I'll hang these things up here on my fence. And let me grab the toothbrushes too. Might as well rinse them as well. And we'll rinse everything real good by hand just one more time. Look there, see I got all that soap out of there pretty good with the pressure washer. And we'll wring them out, hang them up, and just let them dry out here when the sun comes out. Okay guys, there it is. You saw how dirty these rags were when I started, and now they're clean again. Did it like the old folk used to do back in the day. I bet Grandma would be proud. I bet she wished she had a pressure washer though. That made life a little bit easier than a washboard. But anyway folks, you can see gun rags and gun towel is nice and clean. We'll let this dry. We'll fold them up, take them back and put them in our place where we keep them, and make sure these don't get mixed in with our regular laundry anymore. So there you go, friends. Hope you have a great day. Hope you learned a little something on one way to clean up your old dirty, nasty gun rags. Definitely do not wash them with your regular laundry. You don't want lead being mixed up in your laundry with your clothes and your kids' clothes and stuff like that. So if you're gonna do it like this way. Do it like the old way. Have a great day. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and we'll see you next time. Take care.